Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Canon PIXMA TS5120 printer on your Windows, macOS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to look for Canon PIXMA TS5120 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should say Canon support for PIXMA TS5120. Go ahead and open that up. And now that we're on this page here, scroll down underneath downloads and expand software and drivers. And then scrolling down again, you want to select the TS5100 series full driver and software package. Select download. And then once it's downloaded, go ahead and open up that file. Select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. And you can close out of the web browser at this time. Select Start Setup, and then select Next, and let this begin installing here. And then it'll give you options based on your preferred connection type, if you want to do wired or wireless. And that's pretty much it. Just to follow along with the on-screen directions, and you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.